really bombastic, telefantastic, and you need it in your wig collection, and that's on period. Like, I just can't believe the way it's glistening. Okay, listen. Hey guys, what's really good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dymund. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and from the title of this video you know we're about to slay some hair, so let's get right into it. I'm going to be reviewing this wig here, this hair that was sent to me by ISEE. So sit back, get comfortable, and please make sure you watch the entirety of this video because I'm going to show you how I achieved this look here. So let's get it. Okay, my lovelies, so this is what the packaging looks like itself. Inside here is giving us some information, social media information, so make sure you go follow up. It comes with a wig cap and a 3D mink lash. Look at the queens on this information card. Yes, queens, representing. So the wig itself, it comes very well protected. It comes in this nice plastic bag. There's no shedding of the wig at all. Really nice, shiny, soft. There's no funny smells at all to this wig. And also, just to give you a little bit of information, I picked up the 24-inch, and this is the Malaysian straight hair, and it's 180 density, and it's the 4x4 closure. Okay, so it's giving us just the sliding combs just there on the inside of the wig itself. And to be honest with you, I am really happy with the stitching pattern. I'm happy overall with how the wig looks like on site. You know, the wig comes with this lace, and the lace is already pre-plucked a little bit, but me just being extra, as you can see here, I wanted to just do a little bit more work just to fit my design. Look, listen, a girl gotta stay hydrated, okay? So yeah, just look at the wig itself. It's really nice and just absolutely lush. Okay, so the wig does not come with any parting at all, so it just gives you that room and the space to decide whether you want a part in, a side part in, or whatever. I decided to go for the middle part in. I wanted to go for that classic, you know, straight middle part in, Naomi Campbell style, I believe that's what they call it. Yeah, so I'll just, you know, testing it out to see exactly where I wanted my part in to go. So this technique I actually saw from Peak Mill. It's just basically pull out your baby hair in a zigzag motion so that when you do cut your lace, it doesn't give it that straight cut, because I'm not here for that straight cut. Like, I feel like it's not really realistic. It looks a bit weird, a little bit. Yeah, so I'm just going ahead here with my tweezer, and I'm just plucking out as much hair as I want to give me the look that I want. And the lace, listen, the lace is not tough at all, okay? The hair, not to say the hair was sliding out, but I didn't have to go in like, you know, 10-11 times for the hair to come out. It was just coming out really nice. There was no holes on the laces at all. It left no markings, no holes on the lace. It was just really easy and really nice to work with. So I've gone ahead with my stocking cap, and I've put my everyday foundation on the stocking and on the inside of the lace as well, just so it can blend with my skin. I'm going in with my Gots to Be, not much, just a tiny bit. I feel like a little bit is literally all you need. You don't need to like go mad crazy with it, but I'm literally just laying my closure there with a little bit of Gots to Be glue. It gives already a really nice look. So with the lace just here, don't cut it straight. Obviously cut it how you want it, but for me, I like to go in really like small zigzag motions. So again, so it doesn't give me that, just that straight looking cut. So I do go in and out of it like in a zigzag motion, to be basic. And I'm just going in there just to make sure that my parting is as straight as I can get it. I just felt that I did want baby hairs, not like directly on the front of the wig itself, but on the side. I thought that I could do with a little bit of just baby hair there. So I'm just plucking in a downwards motion, just to give me a slight, you know, baby hair look just there, because I felt like, because it is a closure, like I just felt like I didn't really need much of the baby hair at the front. And then I've just plucked in just a little bit more just there at the front. I felt like it could do with just a little bit more plucking. So I'm just going in there at the front, just to give it a nice, more natural look. And what you want to do is go in again with your Got To Be glue, and this time tie it with your baby hair facing downwards, just here. I don't even know if that makes sense, but like that, yeah. Just so that you can have that nice clean space between your baby hair and your closure at the front. And I'm going in just there with the mousse, just so that I can lay my baby hair down. And I like to use the mousse because it kind of takes away the white bits that you get from when you use the Got To Be glue, because the mousse has like alcohol, it has like alcohol substance in it, so it kind of helps with sort of neutralizing the little white bits that you do get from the Got To Be glue. So I always go in with motion. Is it motion? With mousse. Oh my goodness, with mousse. But of course you are absolutely free to use whatever it is that you prefer. And I'm going in there with my hot comb just to flatten the top bit, and of course my concealer just to brighten that part in just a little bit more, to make it look a little bit more natural. And I actually saw another YouTuber do this next bit here, but since I've seen her do it, I just it's my everyday thing now whenever I am, you know, laying down my baby hair. But I use a little bit of concealer just at the front there, just to give it a little bit of that extra natural look. Of course you don't have to do it, and voila, I see her. Yes, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that. You wouldn't even know whether that was a closure or a frontal, because it's absolutely lush. This hair is everything. My video. Do not forget to check out my description box, where you're going to get all the links, all the details, everything that you need on this hair. And also there's a link there for the direct site as well, so you can go and browse and purchase this wig here in particular as well. Literally what I'm gonna say is this hair, amazing. The hair, the texture, the quality, fantastic. There's no funny smell. Absolutely amazing. It wasn't hard to work with. The pluckerization was just amazing. It was just like, everything about this hair was absolutely stunning. Even from that cutting down the lace, like it wasn't stiff and hard or anything like that. Like, where this hair is not stiff, like stiff wear, honestly, stiff wear. So for the time being, I've decided to just rock it in the middle part and just here. I'm definitely gonna play about with it, you know, see what else I can do, but for now I'm definitely just gonna leave it like this for now. Like, I'm just really astonished. This hair is amazing. Honestly guys, make sure you check out the description box. And this is how long it comes down, so just there. I cannot stop touching this wig because this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It is so soft, it is so lush, and let me tell you now, there's been hardly any shedding of this hair. Like, I kid you not, when I say hardly, I mean like probably like one strand. There's no shedding at all. This hair is so soft and it is so lush. absolutely gorgeous. I just can't believe how gorgeous this hair is, and for only 180 density, I feel like that is all you need. I don't feel like you need any more than that. And then the fact that I was able to pluck the lace and it looks like it's actually a lace front when it's actually just a closure is absolutely amazing. I didn't dye the lace, as you guys saw. I put my foundation on it. Like, I just can't believe the way it's glistening. Okay, listen, this hair is glistening, it's moving about, and it's doing all sorts. It's not bumping or anything like that, and it is dead straight. I hardly even straightened the ends. As you guys saw in the video, I only flat ironed the top bit here, but I hardly even did anything to the ends. It is straight, and this is exactly how it came, and I absolutely love the movement on this one. Okay, so this was the 24-inch Malaysian 180 density hair. My name is Dymund. The wig is from ISEE. Make sure you check out the description box, and I will catch you guys on another video. Thank you so much for watching. I love and I appreciate you guys each and every time for showing up and supporting your girl. I love you guys all so much. I love you, and I will catch you guys on another video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.